Hello everyone. My name is Sabrian Arsalika Wijaya. Today we'll be presenting about understanding and use a verbal clause of time. Definition of a verbal clause of time. A verbal clause of time is is an important part of English grammar that helps you understand and correctly use time clause. This clause provides additional information about when an action or event takes place, making sentence clear and well structured. This presentation will explain the definition, structure, example, and how to use time in everyday sentence. Why is adverbial clause of time important? Adverbial clause if of time help you express the relationship of time in a sentence. Without without this clause, we would have difficulty describing when an event or action takes place. This clause provide clarity and context to your communication. Example: I will call you after I get home. The function of adverbial clause of time in a sentence. Adverbial clause of time provide additional information about when an action takes place. This clause and indicate a specific time or a relative time, such as before, after, when, or while. Example: we will we will leave after the meeting is over. And when the rain stop, we will go out. Structure of adverbial clause of time. Structure of an adverbial clause of time can change depending on whether the time clause comes first or second in the sentence. If the time clause is at the beginning, we usually use a comma to separate it from the main clause. Example: I stay at home until the rain stop. This main clause comes first. And next, before the meeting start, I prepare my notes. Time clause comes first, followed by a comma. Next, we will leave after he arrives here. Time clause comes last. Common conjunction use. Common conjunction use. Adverbial clause of time use conjunction like when, while, after, before, until, and signs to connect the time clause with the main clause. Example: when we left when the bells start ringing, and while he read while waiting, and after he went home after work, and before I wash my hands before I eat, and until wait here until the rain stop, and science. I've been studying science morning. Rules for using tense in the time clause. In time clause, we do not use will for future action. Instead, we use the tense that correspond to the time of the action in the sentence. For example, when talking about future event, we use the present tense, not the future tense. Example: incorrect. When you will arrive, contact me. Correct. When you arrive, contact me. Example of adverbial clause of time. When I drink coffee while I work, and he called me after he left the office, and we start when everyone arrives, and I will leave when the rain stops, and he went home before the sunset. They add and they add after the match end, and we left when he arrived at the station. Common mistake to avoid. Avoid using will in time clause and remember to use a comma if the time clause comes at the beginning of the sentence. Example, after the rain stop, we will go out. Not after the rain stop, we go out. The importance of adverbial clause of time. Adverbial clause of time are important because they help connect to even in one sentence, provide clear time context, and make writing more engaging and varied. Example, after we had dinner, we watched a movie together. Conclusion, adverbial clause of time help you connect time clearly in sentence by using the correct conjunction and paying attention to tense consistency. Sentence become easier to understand and more varied. Consistent practice will help master the use of time clause effectively. Thank you for following this presentation. If you're still unsure about time clause, don't worry. Remember, learning English is like watching a movie. There are always plot twists, but the important thing is not to skip the scans. Keep practicing, and the time will come when you're the one teaching. Thank you. Excuse me. Good night. I'm sorry to bother you, but could you help me? I'm looking for the train station. I'm not familiar with this area.
Good afternoon. Of course, I'd be happy to help. Are you walking or are you planning to take a taxi or bus?
I'm walking. I'm walking. I've been told it's not too far, too far from here.
That's correct. It's within walking distance, but it'll take about 15 and 20 minutes. Do you mind walking that long?
Uh, not at not at all. I don't mind walking. Could you tell me the easiest way to get here?
Certainly. Start by walking straight along this road. You'll see a small cafe called Green Bean Cafe on your right. After about 100 meters, that's your first landmark.
Got it. Go straight. Look for the cafe on my right. What happens after that?
After the cafe, continue walking straight for another for 400 meters. You pass a park on your left. The park is large and has a fountain in the middle, so it's hard to miss.
A park with a fountain. Okay. Should I go through to the park?
No, you don't. You don't need to enter the park. Just keep walking past it. After the park, you'll reach a big intersections with traffic lights.
All right. Pass the park and stop at the intersection. What do I do here? What do I do there?
At the intersection, you need to turn right, but before that, make sure to use the pedestrian crossing to safely cross the street. It's a busy area, so watch out for cars and bikes.
Thank you for the reminder. So I turn right after crossing the street. What do I look for next?
Once you've turned right, walk along that road for about 300 meters. You'll start to see sign for a shopping mall. The train station is right next to the mall.
I see. So I go straight past the cafe and then the park. Turn right at the intersection. And the station is next to the mall. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Do you think you can remember all that? Or do you want me to repeat it?
I think I got it. But just to be sure, let me repeat it back to you. Go straight from here, past the cafe, walk past the park, stop at the intersection, cross the road, turn right, and keep walking until I see the mall. The train station is right there.
Perfect. You've got it. By the way, there are also some signs along the way that point to the station. So if you ever feel unsure, just look out for those.
That's really helpful. Is there anything else I should know?
Well, if you're hungry or need a quick break, there's a food stall near the park that sells great snacks. Also, if you need help at the station, there's an information desk right at the entrance.
Oh, that's good to know. I might grab a snack on the way.
Great idea. The food is tasty and affordable.
Thank you so much for your detailed direction. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. I hope you have a smooth trip. Enjoy your walk.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay.